rose talaga. Because for me, I think a white rose is the most beautiful flower talaga. It symbolizes...
Ito yun, Andres.
Ito yun.
For the
Bigay
visual.
talaga ni Andres to kay Ashton na. Hindi siya part ng props. So, 100 ba to?
Direk, wala sa script yun eh.
100?
Hindi 100.
Okay.
Pero, yan. Yan. I would say white rose talaga. Kasi for me, a white rose has so much more meaning to it than just, like, halimbawa, a red rose, you know, it symbolizes like love and all. But I think the nice thing about a white rose is it's deeper than love. It also shows like purity and all. So I would say white rose.
Sorry, may memo lang ako natanggap. 100 daw yan, sabi ng Viva Films family natin. Yeah, Andres made sure.
Tapos Dead Destiny pa kasi white rose papaya.
Kaya,
Thank you. Siguro direct bonus question na lang. Why do you think the characters in this film really fit both Andres and Ashley?
Well, kung alam yung backstory nitong project na to, nauna ko siya na-conceptualize na wala pa talagang actors in mind. Pero, nung pinitch ko siya sa Viva, si Andres na yung pinopropose ko nun, hindi pa siya nag-aartista talaga nun. Tapos, hindi binigay sa akin ng Viva kasi parang in the middle of going through workshops. Kumbaga parang pinapahinog pa nila si Andres. Tapos, so for about 2 or 3 years, naka-shelve lang yung project. And then, nung finally, nagkaroon na sila ng, kasagsagan ng mutya ng Section E. I-revive namin yung project. Tapos, ganun din, nagustuhan ng Danya, di ba? Tapos, hinahanapan din ng Viva ng project yung Ashtres kasi, yun nga, sensational sila eh, yung reception ng mga tao sa kanila. So, bagay sa kanila kasi parang ang lapit sa personality nyo. Kasi si Andres, sa nakikita ko, parang hindi naman siya introvert, pero alam mo yun, hindi siya yung parang jock. Jock talaga na lalaki. Goofy siya on set. Lagi siya nagme-make faces sa camera at binibidyoan ko yun, i-release ko yun one day. Tapos si Ashley naman, she always struck me as someone na, alam mo yun, yung parang resilient, strong woman. Tapos ipapartner mo pa dun sa acting ability nila. Parang sa ganun ko nakikita na bumagay talaga sa kanilang character. Aside from bagay sa real personalities nila, they really know their craft. Nabanggit na ba natin sa mga tao na gano'n talaga sila, workshops talaga sila na intensive under Sir J. Cruz for, 7 days, 5 days? Pawang gano'n, 8 days to really prepare for the role. Yun. So, gaya na sabi ko, mixture of bagay sa, match dun sa real personalities nila in real life at saka dun sa intense love nila for the craft.
And also, it must be destiny, no?
And if I may add as well na the first time na nakuha ko yung script, nung binasa ko talaga, from the very first page, I could not put it down talaga. Kasi parang na-imagine ko yung sarili ko sa mga lines ni Rafi at nakakita ko din yung pagkasalita ni Luna kay Ash din minsan. And parang habang binabasa ko, mas lumalabas na yung emotions ko habang binabasa ko yung script for the first time. Kaya I knew at that time na, wow, ang galing ni Direk mag-write, you know, and I had a feeling na, okay, ito yun, like this is the right project.
Thank you and congrats. Good luck to the film.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
po.
po.
thank you so much. Alright, next up, we have from Anong Ganap. Let's have Sir Erwin Agawa.
Hello guys! Okay, congrats sa movie nyo. Okay, so, since nagkasama na kayo sa Mutya, so, kamusta naman yung first day of shooting nyo? Or minamahan? Pwedeng konting kwento. Kinabahan pa ba kayo? Or first day? Any memorable?
Siguro mas more on kinakabahan para sa pagkapa ko sa character kasi nangangapa pa ako sa character eh. Pero with Andres, parang sa kanya ako nakakuha ng assurance na, oh, kaya mo yan. Yun, sa kanya ako nakuha yun.
Assurance lang.
Yes. Assurance.
Yes.
Yes. The first few days ng shooting namin it was not easy, pero nag-enjoy kami talaga. Yung mga first few sequences were, di ba direct medyo mga mabigat na eksena.
Mabigat yung
Mabigat.
inuna namin.
Yung mga first 5 days ng shoot, it was all mga mabigat na eksena. So, syempre, kinabahan kami. But overall, since we enjoy what we're doing and we enjoy the craft of acting, we were able to get it done and do a good job, I hope.
And last question, paano kayo nakarelate sa mga characters niyo sa film? Paano kayo nakarelate? Ano medyo pareho sa mga characters in real life?
Sa tingin ko kasi si Rafi, he's a very shy person. I don't want to say din na he's introverted. Parang ako dati nung nasa high school ako, I was not super extroverted. I was medyo shy, tahimik lang talaga. Tapos parang, I don't want to spoil it. But yun nga, parang nung high school ako, I was a little bit shy, and as I started to work here in the industry, I started to learn more about myself and I guess bloom to who I am today. Bloom, flower, reference. And yun, I think it's very similar, I think it was very similar yung character ko ni Andres kay Rafi, at least in the idea na how nice he is and how thoughtful Rafi is. I think it applies to me as well.
And Ash?
Po, siguro sa akin, parehas kami na alam kung hanggang saan or kung hanggang kailan lang dapat yung mga bagay-bagay. Yung parang hindi namin pinipilit kung ano yung hindi para sa amin.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
There we go. All right. Last on the list we have from Pika Pika and Abante is Ana Pingon.
Hi, hello.
Hello po.
Hello.
Marami na kaming nakitang love teams sa pagko-coverage namin sa showbiz. Ang kalaban usually, lalo na pag sikat, burnout. Paano nyo kaya malalabanan yun?
Pagod, yung burnout. Ako naman, ano kaya? Burnout, di ko pa masabi. Kasi I'm very new din. So, right now, habang may energy pa ako at habang bata pa ako, I'm trying to really make the most. And I'm sure also Ash, diba? But, yeah, go.
Pero siguro kung darating man po yung panahon na yun, siguro iisipin namin kung bakit kami nagsimula, kung bakit namin gusto yung ginagawa namin. Kasi darating talaga yun parang minsan mapapagod ka, iisipin mo kung tuloy ko pa ba to, ganyan. Pero kung aalalahanin mo kung bakit mo gusto tong ginagawa mo, parang mababago yung mood mo, mababago parang ma-revive yung eagerness mo gawin ulit yung trabaho mo. Yun po.
Next question.
Add ko lang po, it helps din siguro, although yun nga, it helps din siguro na they really like each other's company. So parang nag-lift up nila each other in spite of the stress. Diba? It helps kasi pag ganun, diba? So imagine mo na lang, halimbawa, hindi nila gusto yung isa't isa tapos nandito sila sa ganitong trabaho. Talaga mag-a-attitude sila. Pero yun, I think it's, aminin nyo, nakakabawas ng stress na you like being in each other's company because you support each other.
Yun nga, if I may add na parang when I'm with Ash, halimbawa kapag nasa-stress ako sa mga eksena or yung mga trabaho namin, mas na-feel ko na, okay, kasama ko si Ash, so I can always, work with her and there's that dynamic. Or minsan kapag nasa-stress si Ash, tinutulong ko din siya in those times. And it's a team effort. We help each other,
Next question. In some level, minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Pakinggan mo nga.
Yes, Direk.